Hi everyone, Adrian here. So, a lot of you have been asking about the checking in feature on Reserve and how it actually works. So, today I'm just going to show you a quick demo. So, essentially, on your client website and app, as you can see, they can actually go ahead and book classes, right? And they can go ahead and book appointments. Appointments are like something like that, right? But whenever they complete booking their appointments and classes, they will end up having it in their My Schedule. So as you can see here, for this particular studio, they have enabled check-in. And what that means is essentially when your client clicks on check-in, it actually automatically opens the camera. And a lot of you have asked, so what do I scan? So essentially, if you go back to your business portal here, you see this is your business portal. So under your business portal, you can actually go into your settings. Yeah, so let me just go to management. Under management, you can go to outlets, and under outlets, you can actually see download QR code here, or you can download individual outlets here. Once you have downloaded the QR code, it will look something like that, where it comes with the code, and it also comes with a manual input number. So when your clients come to the gym, all you need to do is essentially just tell them that, hey, Adrian, I'm here. I'm Adrian. I'm here for my hot yoga class at say 4 p.m. So then your staff can tell Adrian, oh, Adrian, can you click on check in and scan the QR code? And essentially, if I were to do that, I will be able to check in automatically. Now, let's try this again. You can see what happens here. See, it says checked in successfully. And if your clients, and you see here, it becomes checked in. And this is how you can automatically mark attendance, right? So this is one way of doing it. If your staff were to check the exact same class that is coming up, so you can see 4 p.m. yoga, 4 person. If I click in, you can see what happens here. Adrian is automatically checked in already. And if, say, Rani suddenly runs into the studio because she's late and she has no time to actually scan the QR code, no worries. You, as a staff, you can actually do it for Rani by clicking check in here. And this is basically doing the exact same thing that I did just now. But this is actually having a staff help a client check in instead of them doing it themselves. So, two ways to do it. Clients can scan themselves, or you, as a staff, can help a client check in. We also understand that there are some clients who say, oh, Adrian, I don't want to deal with check in. Is there a way for us to do auto check in? And their answer is yes. So just go to classes, settings, and under settings right here, all you need to do is enable auto check in. So when you enable auto check in, when a client books a class or appointment, and after the class or appointment is completed, the end time itself, everybody will automatically be marked as completed. So even if they don't show up, it will still be marked as completed. So there are some studios who don't mind having it like that, but then there are some studios, like let's say I look at some of my classes that happened yesterday. Hopefully, I can find one with attendees. Okay, here you go. As you can see, it's showing as a no-show because Sheila and her guest booked a class and didn't show up. And that's why for some studios, it's very important to see who didn't show up. But if you were to set it as autocomplete, what it actually does is, even though they didn't show up, it actually completes it for you. Yeah? So a few ways, a few methods for you to do it. Clients doing it themselves, a staff doing it for the client by clicking in, let's say I go back to next 7 days again, and basically here, yeah, so you clicking in, your staff clicking the check-in for your client, and ultimately, if you don't want to deal with all this check-in, all you need to do is essentially just set up auto check-in. Yeah, so most of my studios actually print this QR code and they place it really big at the entrance. And you might ask me, why is there a number showing here? A couple of your clients might be using the phone and they might have not enabled camera access for their phone. And when they don't enable camera access, you can still tell them, or in that case, since your camera is not showing or not popping up, why don't you go ahead and type 910.109, and you also allow the clients to check in just like that. Yeah. And that is all for today. Hopefully you learn how to use our check-in function. And if you need any more explanation, or you have more feedback about this feature, we welcome you to just drop us a text, drop us an email, and write to us. Thank you, everyone.